Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I build an automatic lady's watch. Let's begin. This is the dial I have chosen. It is a beautiful salmon-colored dial. Before we attach this to the movement, remove the dial feet that are not required. Smoothen the cuts. Gently place the dial on the movement and press to fit. Adjust the time to midnight and then start attaching the hands. First, the hour hand. Then, the minutes hand. And finally, the seconds hand. Ensure the hands move freely and don't interfere with each other. I am using this small 33mm case. Remove the bracelet, the case back, and the crown. Remove the dummy stem. Carefully place the case front on the movement. Attach the crown to a new stem and insert it into the movement. Measure the length of the stem that needs to be cut. Attach the crown to the stem and insert it back into the movement. Place the rubber seal and close the case back. It looks beautiful. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Attach the bracelet and we are done. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.